Hey everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete a page on your Weebly website. Whether you have created a page by mistake or just want to clean up your site, deleting a page is really simple. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. And once you are logged in, you will be on your dashboard. From there, click on the hamburger option on the bottom left corner of the screen. And from there, click on website and edit website. From there, click on the option saying edit. Once you land on the Weebly editor, click on the pages option, which is at the top of the navigation bar. From here, you can see the different pages which are available on your website. If you zoom in onto it, depending upon the page that you want to delete, if I want to delete the home page, simply click on it. From there, you will see an option saying delete, click on it. And you will be getting this pop-up where you will be asked if you are sure to delete the page. Simply click on delete. And that's it. You have deleted the main home page of your website. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.